In this question, so question one, we are told, okay, or given that, consider the linear function f of x plotted below. So we got f of x equals this straight line. Part A, give the equation of the line in the diagram above. It's worth 2 marks, and this is applicable from AS Maths. Okay, so this is from the core 1, the old spec, Maths Made Easy questions. Okay, so core 1, so the old spec for AS Maths, looking at straight line graphs. Okay, so figure 1, a plot of a linear function f of x. So it's going to be in the form or format y is equal to mx plus c, where m is our gradient, so how steep the line is, and c is our y-intercept, so where it crosses or where it intersects on the y-axis. When it crosses at 1, so c is going to equal to positive 1, so straight away my answer will be in the format y is equal to mx plus 1. Okay, now to work out m. How do we work out m? Well, based on the drawing, okay, this is the best way to do it. For every 1 square I go along, okay, so I repeat, for every 1 square I go along, so that's 1. How many squares do I go up? I go up 1, 2. So the gradient, okay, is what we call the change in y over change in x, or delta y over delta x, or rise over run. So the gradient will be equal to 2 over 1. So 2 divided by 1, which is just 2. Okay, so m is equal to 2. Putting our answer together, y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now, there are usually other ways to obviously work out the gradient. If you're given a diagram, the best method that I would say, yeah, if it is visible and clear enough, think to yourself, okay, for every 1 unit I go, how many up do I go? Okay, or how many down do I go? And whatever that number is, so let's call that x, okay, the gradient would just be x, okay, or a or b, okay, or maybe not x, yeah, let's call it b, okay. So the gradient would be b over 1, which is just b, okay. So for every 1 unit I go, how many up do I go? If I go up, let's say 3 b's, then the gradient would be 3b, okay. If I go up 2 b's, it'll be 2b. But the key is for every 1 unit along I go, so 1 unit across I go, okay, how many up or down do I go? Now you can technically have it here where you go 1 across and then 4 down, so that'd be -4 or -4. That would be -4 as your gradient, okay? So yeah, if it was sloping down like that, let's say, okay, but yeah, this slant has a positive gradient, okay? I hope that makes sense, okay? So that is straight line equations. Okay, a little recap here from GCSE maths, but it's also applicable here for GCSE maths as well. But yeah, this is aimed at, yeah, core 1 students, so students in year 12 or doing the AS part of the pure math section, okay, looking at coordinate geometry, okay. So thank you for watching, okay, and if you want to get this worksheet, it's off a website called Maths Made Easy. They do have some paid stuff on there, but my advice is just to access the free stuff on there, okay. But if you can obviously pay for it, then I think, yeah, it's quite a good website, yeah, in terms of resource. Okay, obviously it's not too cheap, but yeah, I think it's not too bad of a website. Yeah, I think it's actually laid out pretty well and quite easy to, like, yeah, navigate and get your head around. But yeah, my advice is just to use the free stuff on there. Don't pay for it. Okay, of course, if you can pay for it, then I think, yeah, there are some good premium resources on there too. Okay, but also check out Corbett Maths, Maths Genie, Physics and Maths Tutor, First Class Maths, Hanakita Maths. Okay, they've all got free worksheets on their website. Okay, but yeah, I hope that has been helpful. Okay, thank you for watching.